Looking for a refreshing and multitasking skincare product you can make at home in just a few minutes? This DIY face toner is one of my absolute favorites. It's hydrating, gently exfoliating, and leaves your skin clean and glowing without any dryness. Plus, it smells amazing thanks to the essential oils. And the best part? You can use it on your face, body, and even your hair. Let me show you how I make it. First, add about half of the distilled water into your clean container, around 150 grams. Then weigh out 15 grams of urea and mix it until it's fully dissolved. Once the urea is dissolved, add 15 grams of glycerin. Both will keep your skin soft and hydrated. Mix it well. Next, add 10 grams of apple cider vinegar and stir gently. You can use raw apple cider vinegar, or you could use a herbal-infused vinegar. I will leave a link in the video description below, so you can check how to make it. Now it's time for your favorite essential oil or blend of essential oils of your choice. I like to use sage, rose, rosewood or lavender essential oil. And for this recipe, I'm using 10 drops. Fill up with the remaining distilled water to get 300 ml and mix everything together. My face toner has a pH around 4, which works well for my skin. But if your skin is more sensitive or you're just starting to use apple cider vinegar, I recommend using less vinegar so the pH stays closer to 5. You can store this toner in a regular bottle or use a spray bottle if you would like to apply it as a refreshing mist. This recipe doesn't require preservative because the low pH and distilled water create an environment that is not friendly for bacteria. However, if you want extra peace of mind, feel free to add a few drops of preservative. I keep my toner at room temperature away from sunlight and try to use it within 1 month. Sometimes I store it in the fridge for a cooling effect in the morning. It feels amazing and lasts longer too. This toner is not just a simple skincare step. It's a really multitasker and must-haves in my routine. I love using it in the morning, especially when I don't want to cleanse my face with a cleanser. It leaves my skin clean, fresh, and prepared for serum and moisturizer, all without any tightness or dryness. During the day, I use it as a hydrating face mist, and for that, a spray bottle is very handy. It's also great for a quick refreshing under the arms, especially before applying deodorant. And I even use it on my hair. Just a few sprays to add moisture, shine, and that lovely essential oil scent. I also like to mix it with a few drops of oil and apply it to the ends. It helps strengthen and protect my hair from damage. And if you want to see my favorite hair oil, check the link in the description box below. Let me know in the comments if you plan to try this recipe or if you made already something similar before. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I've noticed that many of you watch my videos regularly but haven't subscribed yet. And subscribing really helps my channel grow and keeps me motivated to share more natural beauty content with you. Thank you so much for your support and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!